Imagine up to 5 beds, 5.5 baths, 3-car garage on almost 4,000 square feet in one of the most gorgeous homes built by one of the most luxurious builders and one of the most beautiful neighborhoods north of Austin in Travisso. That is the Glenson, and we're going to get into it right now. Now, my name is Keith Duble, and I'm committed to bring you educational, entertaining, and enlightening videos that make you smile. We're going to get into this one. This plan is amazing, and it's got something for everybody. It's such a unique plan. I mentioned it's by the Toll Brothers folks, and man, they're just one of the best names in the business for luxury. They have made a super smart plan, and guys, you will not believe that this plan with up to 5 bedrooms and 5.5 baths. Now, it starts at $850. Now, if you got 5 beds and 5.5 baths, you're not going to be at $850, but it starts at $850, $849. And this is a primary suite. You walk in, you make a left, depending on how the house is oriented, and you have a full bedroom suite. That's a 12 by 12 bedroom with a 13-foot ceiling with the 3 picture windows at the top. Now we're walking into an office. It's about 13 feet by 11 feet. And this one, man, this house probably has $100,000 worth of wood trim and paneling installed just to make you want to love it. And you do, because it's got a lot of really cool features. And that is a nice office space. Now we're going to come here. Look at these architectural details. It's just a finely crafted staircase, wrought iron, balusters. It's got the little rotunda space there, perfect for that little coffee table. And we're going to head into this laundry space, which is, there's kind of a lot of flexibility here. You can kind of mix and match how you want to do this space. It has a sink, it has lower cabinets, and plenty of room in there for all your appliance needs. Cool little layout. Now we're heading into this great room. It's a 2-story great room. It's about 22 feet by about 18 feet. And that is a optional fireplace that they have on the wall here. And we have just floor to ceiling windows. You have the sliders, and then above that you have the picture windows, which really bring a ton of light into the room. Now we're heading into this kitchen, which is about 20 feet by 16 feet. You can have an optional extension on your island if you want to do the bar. This one does, and this is, I believe that is a quartz countertop. I couldn't tell being there. The blacks are a little bit harder to tell, but I believe that's a quartz countertop. And you just countertop. There's lots of countertops. The surfaces in here are just awesome. There's a lot of space to work with in this room. And I love the view just right out into that living area. They did a great job. And just kind of like that whole sea of stainless. You have the 2 ovens that are above the stacked, and then right next to that refrigerator, which is great. Cabinets all over the place. And then you have this incredible pantry. I almost said laundry room. Pantry with all the shelving. Very, very spacious and very accommodating. So it's, going back out into the living room here. Sorry. And then we have, they did those beams all the way up there in those ceilings. By the way, it's a 20.5-foot ceiling. So lots of space, and they put a lot of just finishes in there to make it lovely. Heading into this primary bedroom, it's a little over 18.5 by 14 feet. And we've got a sloping 13-foot ceiling, and we're going to head into this owner's bath, a primary bath here, where there's the mud set shower. You have the step-in, walk-in mud set shower, cool tiles, standalone tub there, and then we have those. I always like to say doodling vanities. I don't know why, but the 2 vanities makes it really nice. Everything that you would hope for in this space. One of the things that I love about this plan is, again, you can get that 5th bedroom in here. You get the 5.5 as well. Now, I did a video not long ago, actually in Travisso. It was another builder, and it was actually, Toll Brothers' other plan. I think it was the Kellen. It was the Kellen plan by Toll Brothers, which you can check here, because I wanted to just kind of see what other options for you. You can see what other options are available. So the Kellen plan has another feature as well, where there's more bathrooms than bedrooms. And one of the things that I was going to say is that you know that you're in a home that's perfect for entertaining and having guests over if there are more bathrooms than bedrooms. So in here you can get the 5 bed, up to 5 bed, you can get the 5.5 bathrooms. So you get that extra half bath, so that there's always, availability for restrooms. And when you're entertaining and you have a lot of folks over, it really makes it convenient. So over this banister here, you can see down into the main room. Now we're going to swing around and I'm going to show you the bedrooms, but I really want you to see this loft. And the loft is connected to a media room. Now that loft is 17 feet by 15 and a half feet. It's got a 10-foot tray ceiling and it connects directly into the 17 and a half. It's almost the same exact size, 17 by 15 feet 8 inches. So it was similarly sized, but this closed off, quiet tray ceiling theater space is just a perfect finish. Now it's got the media built into the walls, and you can see the speakers everywhere. It's like a, 7.2 surround sound or whatever it is, 6.2. And whatever you decide to do with that space, that's pretty much a dedicated theater, but you can finish it out any way you want to. Now we're going to walk back over into, this is bedroom 3, and then bedroom 4 is on the other side. And these are Jack and Jill, and you can see on the floor plan that they have kind of a shared wall closet. They're two separate closets, but they're just on the other side of the wall from one another. If you're looking at it from the bird's eye view, it's a really smart way that they've done this layout up here. There's so much to offer. And again, this plan is 3899 square feet, and the property can go much higher from there depending on how much additional space you want to add with the additional bedrooms and bathrooms and so forth. So I am super excited about this plan. Now, Travisso, not sure if you know, Travisso is known, it's actually in Leander, it's north of Austin by about 30 minutes, and it is known for views. The views are just stunning out there, and it's kind of the gateway to the hill country. And I'm going to be posting more videos on the options that are available, the different, so I believe, of course, we have Taylor Morrison out there. This is Toll Brothers. They have Drees out there. And there's a few others that are out here that are building still in Travisso. There's a few more phases left out there. So we're going to be out there for quite a while building homes. So we're heading back out into this back patio space. And this covered patio is 18 by 9, and it's a 14.5 foot ceiling. And the lot sizes in this community are not that bad. It depends on where you put the plan, but I believe these can go on 70-foot lots, but I'd have to check that to be sure. But you can see just such a regal back patio space with the steps down into the yard, and just lovely. I love those sliders. Just makes that space look so elegant. Thank you so much for taking time. That just about wraps it up on this walkthrough. A lot of my walkthroughs are because people are asking questions. They want to see houses that they get out there. Keith, would you go do this walkthrough? And we are happy to do that. Do me a favor. If you've got a question or a comment, leave one below. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you the next time.